Hello, traders. Let's get to the summary of the day. We had two live trading sessions today, and I'm going to show you what we did during those sessions, how much money did we make, and also I will show you the trades from yesterday's session because we had internal session uh, regarding crypto. So we had free take profits on that session, and I will show you that as well. All right, let's start from my trades today. I had two trades, and one was on gold, profit of $1,500, and one stop loss on Euro USD. Euro USD, it was unexpected because 2:30 p.m. Trump had a speech and said something that moved the market, and my position was open too quickly. But anyway, that was very small risk because my risk to reward was 1 to 7. So I was expecting get $7,000 on that trade. So I think it's also anyway pretty good. Okay, so we had two trades of mine, and also we can check the trades from Rafael yesterday. Okay, so this trade was made during our live trading session yesterday afternoon. Rafa was using AI volume indicator to enter the positions. You can see position was set here, and he got full take profit on this trade. That was gold. Pretty nice. You can see three different trades. $2,500 in profit, $1,117 in profit, and $593 in profit. Pretty good. This is another trade on Ethereum. Also used AI volume indicator, so we can see that the price went through the support zone, resistance zone, and then indicator was saying that the sellers are coming into the market. He entered the position and he's also had full take profit. And the next trade, this one here, also it's Ethereum. Is it the same one? Let me just check. Anyway, I got full take profit on that trade. So yeah, yesterday afternoon session was pretty good. Free trades and free take profits. So I think this is pretty impressive. Okay, let's move to some other trades. We got some trades from the morning. I made some plans on Euro USD. Also, one plan I didn't save it, but there was a chance to open the position. I missed that trade because I wasn't close to my computer, so I couldn't open it. But the plan worked perfectly, and some of you probably got nice take profit on that trade. That was the first plan. We are trying to get to what do you call it, target from ALLin ASAP. This plan worked, but the price went straight up without retesting this trend line. That's okay. Sometimes this happens. Next one, we had two other plans for Euro USD, also target from ALLin ASAP above. We are expecting that the price will drop lower, then we're gonna have reaction. And basically, reaction was perfect in the zone which we mark on the chart. So basically, we could open the trade on that zone, but we didn't. Sometimes you cannot catch every single trade. And another plan, this one here on gold, we entered the position right here, and that was perfect entry because the price went straight up. We were trying to get 4 to 1, 4.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio, and we got take profit from that trade, $1,500. But because we had Trump at 2:30 p.m. I had to close this trade because that was high impact news in macroeconomic calendar, and I had to close it. We could get more from that trade, but we cannot trade during news on founded accounts or instant accounts, so I had to close it. Anyway, the plan was good. It worked, so pretty good. And we got some more trades from the afternoon. We got some trades from Pablo. You can see over here a 15 seconds time frame, guys. Yes, that is scalping. Seconds time frame. Pablo also entered the position and he's got full take profit more than 3,500, $3,480 profit on this trade. Very quick one because this is 50 seconds time frame. So it took like 1 minute, 2.5 minutes to get full take profit of 3,000, nearly 500. I think it's pretty good. Okay, let's have a look at other trades from Pablo. I think it's the same on PC. Yes. Another one we got here, 30 seconds time frame. Also, he entered the position. You can see nice entry using AI volume indicator and forecaster. Together, these two tools are working very well. And you can see nice entry. Price went straight up. So that was pretty good trade, I would say. And what else we got here? Like you can see, got full take profit on next one, also from Pablo. He also used AI volume indicator to enter the position forecaster. Forecaster is predicting actually where the price will go. And you can see the prediction right here. He entered the position and you can see profit. Full take profit was on $1,670. So pretty impressive. That is more scalping. I usually do not scalp. I got some good strategies, small risk, which I'm using live trading sessions, but I never go to time frames like this, 30 seconds or 15 seconds. But no, Pablo, he can do it without any problems. Next trade was Euro US. Yes, this trade I hit stop loss because the plan was great. Plan was good. Had also reaction went in profit for some time, but because the Trump said something, the price dropped down and I hit stop loss. That is okay. I want to show you something else. I want to show you trading view because on Euro USD we had nice plan. Euro USD we had nice plan. So the plan for the morning was also Asian session liquidity. That was Asian session. The price went into liquidity zone. Here we had nice area, this area here, and there was very nice reaction. Look at this reaction at that area. Mark that area on our live trading session. We were expecting reaction here, and that setup was pretty simple. All we had to do is to just add some kind of trend line using, latest swings. And after the breakout, retest of this trend line, price closed above exponential moving average, and there was a chance to enter the position. I missed that trade because I was doing something else, but maybe you guys were able to catch that trade. 1 to 2 risk to reward, at least 1 to 2, because we could get to the other side of liquidity with 3.75, 1 to 3. It worked. We missed that. That's okay. Tomorrow is another day, so we look for some more opportunities tomorrow. For today, that's it. I think we got one more trading session, and tomorrow morning gonna have another session 9 a.m. So please come and check what we do during live trading session. We are opening position, we are making plans, we are making some profits. So everything is transparent. You can check our progress. Also, we are showing our trading journal, our results. So everything is transparent. You never been on our sessions before, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like, so you won't miss any live trading sessions, because we are also on YouTube a few times a week, so you can join our live trading sessions. The rest of our live trading sessions are internal. We got plenty of them from the morning till late evening every single day. Even on Sunday we got live trading sessions. So please come and see how we do it. So today was pretty good. Could be better, of course, but at least we are in profit. So the day good. Tomorrow, another day for more opportunities. So, guys, I will see you tomorrow morning on our session. And thank you for watching the video. And I will see you later. Take care, guys.